In this video, I'll guide you through how to pause a Facebook ads campaign. If you need to temporarily stop one of your Facebook advertising campaigns without deleting it, the process is quick and easy inside Facebook Ads Manager. Pausing a campaign is useful when an offer has ended, a promotion's no longer relevant, or you simply want to stop spending while keeping all of your campaign settings available for later use. In this tutorial, I'll show you the different ways you can pause a campaign and briefly explain how campaign and ad set controls work. To get started, sign into your Facebook Ads Manager account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the left side of the screen and click on Campaigns. This will open a list of all the advertising campaigns associated with your account. Locate the campaign you want to pause. Next to each campaign, you'll see a status toggle indicating whether the campaign is currently active. If the toggle is turned on, simply click it to switch it off. Once the toggle changes to the off position, your campaign is paused and will no longer deliver ads until you enable it again. If you need to pause multiple campaigns at the same time, Facebook Ads Manager also provides a convenient bulk editing option. Instead of turning off each campaign individually, select the checkboxes beside the campaigns you want to pause. After making your selections, look near the top of the page for the Edit menu. Open the menu, then choose the Turn Off option. This applies the change to all of the selected campaigns at once, making it much faster when managing several campaigns together. There may also be situations where you don't want to stop the entire campaign. Instead, you may only want to pause specific ad sets while allowing the rest of the campaign to continue running. To do that, switch from the campaign view to the ad sets section. Facebook organizes advertising into 3 levels. A campaign contains one or more ad sets, and each ad set can contain multiple ads. Inside the ad set section, you can use the same process by locating the ad set you want to pause and turning off its status toggle. This lets you stop a particular audience or strategy while keeping the overall campaign active. And that's all there is to pausing a Facebook ads campaign. Whether you're pausing a single campaign, multiple campaigns, or only selected ad sets, Facebook Ads Manager gives you flexible controls to manage your advertising without permanently removing your work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.